back to another daily work from home job lead. This one is in the healthcare field, and it is talking on the phone customer service. But before we get into all the details, if you're new here, my name is Lindsay. I'm always searching the internet looking for the best work from home jobs available, and I bring them to you and share on a daily basis. So if you don't want to miss out, make sure you're subscribed. And as always, the links to everything I share, if you want to put those applications in, are in the YouTube description box below. And today we have the company Talkatree. Now, they are in the mental health space of healthcare, and they are hiring remote within the United States, someone to be an access center representative. Now, we will get down to the bottom of everything in just a minute, but it does say that they do offer a flexible location. You can work where you want to remotely across the U.S., or if you are in New York City, you can also go into their headquarters, but I know we on this channel are all about working from home. This is a customer service role. They're looking for someone to be accountable for working within their IVR system or their voice response system. You know, when you call places and it's like, press 1 if you're calling about claims, press 2 if you're calling about those sorts of things. That's the IVR system. You ensure calls are answered in a timely manner, handled efficiently, and follow up on anything that needs to be followed up on. You'll be working within the electronic health record system to schedule and register patients and the initial new patient appointments. You'll be responsible for also asking questions and screening those patients, collecting their demographics such as their age, address, all that information, their insurance information, scheduling appointments for the appropriate providers, uploading any documentation into their medical records and charts, and sending out all the information to them to confirm appointments. You'll also monitor and complete tickets within their internal support ticket system, responding to clients in a timely manner. Now, for this position, they do not require any kind of college degree. They want someone who has the ability to work remotely in a productivity-driven call center environment. Someone who has experience with electronic health records. Someone who has worked on dual monitors. That's 2 monitors sitting side by side before, because you'll be talking and taking information in one and maybe doing research at the same time on the other. Someone who works in a fast-paced environment and do multitasking. Someone who understands patient privacy, HIPAA laws, HIPAA guidelines. And of course, you have to have great communication skills and great customer service skills. Now, if this is something that interests you, they are paying $18 an hour. Of course, again, flexible location. You can work remote within the United States. And they also offer a great benefit package. They cover your health insurance premiums 100%, so no premiums out of pocket to you. And on day 1 of your employment, they also offer 401k and paid time off. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.